Welcome to Mr. Belle Kitchen today. First of all, I'd like to thank all my subscribers, thank all my viewer watchers. And if you're wondering how to subscribe, that's all you have to do. Ding! And you are subscribed to Mr. Belle Kitchen. If you don't know how to subscribe, just all you have to do is hit that bell. I like all your comments you've been leaving, nice comments and everything. Hope I've been getting back to them the best to my knowledge. And today I'll be doing something special in this Power XL. I will be using the Power XL. Like I say, I'll be using the oven and the Power XL. Today I'll be using this Power XL. Today I'll be air frying some baby red potatoes. Nice and little and everything. As you see, I have a bowl warm. I'm just going to air fry these and knick-knack on for the kids. They are at school. So I'm going to air fry these. We're going to cut them up together. We'll be taking a look at it together. As you know, Mr. Belle like to take you step by step. So we'll be doing these baby red potatoes on air fry. I'll be slicing them up into 4 pieces. And today I'll be eyeballing just a little bit olive oil. I'll be putting in the bowl with it, get it nice and good. And a teaspoon of black pepper and a teaspoon of seasoning salt. And that'll be all my ingredients today. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm just going to set this Power XL on air fry. It's on air fry. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to set it. And the temperature, I'm going to set it for 375. And I'm going to set it on for 30 minutes. I'm not going to use all the 30 minutes, but I'm going to just sit it there to get it nice, good, and warm and everything. Just set that on 30 minutes. Just like that. I'm going to press start. Get it nice and warm. As you see, it's on air fry. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to take these nice little potatoes just like this, and we're going to cut it in half like this. Nice and as you see, it's nice and cut in half. And I'll make 4 out of it. 4 pieces, as you see. It's cut nice and good. I'll be putting these in some water, washing them again. They already been washed and everything, but I'm going to put it in water and wash it again. Get them nice and good. Just like that. Take them and cut them just like that. And it's nice and easy. So they'll be nice and tasty. If you're watching the games or anything, this right here is a quick little dish to fix, to season up and everything. Also, after you air fry them, if you want to dip them in any kind of sauce or you want to eat them just like that, you can. You can use any kind of sauce you want to. And you don't have to set the temperature like that. It depends on how much you're putting in, how much you're cooking. So I'm just going to do like this and put it in the water. Mr. Belle will take a commercial and I'll be right back. So as you see, I cut up all the potatoes and everything. And I'm just washing them up in this bowl right here. As you see, they cut up nice and good and everything. Like I say, this is just a knick-knack. Cut up nice and good. All of them. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take them, rinse them off, put them in a bowl, put a little olive oil on them, and then I'm going to put the seasoning on them and put them in this Power XL. As you know, some of my minutes going to be gone and everything. It's probably starting at 20 minutes when it get down to it, and we're going to put them in together. So I have them in a bowl now, so what I'm going to do, I'm just going to eyeball just a little of that over there and just pour that in there, the olive oil. Now I'm just going to put my black pepper over just like that. And I'm going to put my seasoning salt just like that. So what I'm going to do, mix it up real good. Mix it up like that. Just get it nice and good. As you see, the seasoning is all over. Just mix it up nice and good. Get that seasoning over it like that. So I'm gonna raise it up and I'm gonna just pour them in. Just like that. Pour them in, I'm gonna put the top down and I'm gonna just let that cook for a few minutes. Like that, and I'll be right back. Okay, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna raise this top at so we can take a peep at it together. As you see, they looking good and everything. I'm gonna just stir that up just a little, just like that. And I only used 7 minutes so far. So, and I'm gonna put it just like that and close it. And you know, Mr. Belle, like, as this is cooking, wash your dishes as you go. Don't leave it for the spouse. Don't leave it for your friend. Don't leave it for your kids. Wash the dishes as this is cooking. That's what Mr. Belle doing while this is cooking. Okay, it's been 14 minutes. We're gonna take a look at this together. It's looking good and everything. See, they coming out good. And everything looking real nice. And so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just let them get just a little more brown. Put the top down, let them a little more brown, and I'm gonna take them out in a few minutes. Okay, it's been 17 minutes. We're gonna take these out. They looking good and everything. I'm gonna take these out. These are done. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna press cancel. And press cancel, and I'm just gonna ease these out and unplug it. And I'm gonna take these out. As you see, it's looking good and everything. I'm gonna take them out and put them in this bowl. And these right here, as you see, they're done nice and good and everything, looking good. So these are your baby red air fried potatoes. And I'm gonna taste one of these. As you see me just take them out and everything. They're pretty hot and everything. And this right here is just something you can knick-knack on if you're doing something or you're watching a game. You can dip it in any kind of sauce you want to, but I'm gonna test it just like this. It's hot. They're soft and they're good. They're very hot. So if you like it, that is Cooking with the Bells. We did it again. If you like it, leave a comment in the box. If you wonder how to subscribe, that's all you had to do. Ding! Hit that bell and you subscribe to Mr. Belle channel. Thank you for watching. Mr. Belle have a lot of videos out there. If you're new subscribers and wonder, just go down that list. Thank you.